Charlie. Hi, beautiful. Oh, and people. Hey, honey. Hi. You don't like when I sew, do you? Because I'm not paying attention to you. Hmm? Oh, hello. Oh. Hmm. Yeah. So as you can see, this is quite a thick blanket. So I'm just gonna cut a little cube off it. And I'm gonna fold this half up. You see? And this bit over. It's a bit hard, one-handed, sorry. So then it's just easier for the machine running this way. It's going to go smoothly over the top here, rather than if it was to be folded like this, it would get caught in a little flap. So let's give it a try. Easy. So just make sure that's secure. Turn. There we go. Finished.